Redmi 5 has been launched in India by Xiaomi. To recall, the smartphone was first unveiled in China in December, alongside the Redmi 5 Plus. The latter was launched in India last month, as the Redmi Note 5 and Redmi 5 Pro. Now, the Chinese company has brought the Redmi 5 to India, and made it available exclusively in Amazon India, apart from Mi.com. The Redmi Note 5 on the other hand was exclusive to Flipkart. The Redmi 5 features a 5.7-inch display that supports HD Plus resolution of 720 by 1440 pixels. It is driven by modest Snapdragon 450 SoC. To control the internal temperature, the device includes 2 layers of pyrolytic sheet. Its 16GB, 32GB, and 64GB storage models respectively feature 2GB, 3GB, and 4GB of RAM. It also features a microSD card slot for additional storage. The Redmi 5 comes loaded with Android 7.0 Nougat, that's skinned with MIUI 9. Like the Redmi Note 5 phones, the Redmi 5 will be also provided with full screen gestures function in the near future. It has a rear camera of 12 megapixel that has a pixel size of 1.25 micron. The handset is capable of snapping impressive shots in low light conditions. It is equipped with features like LED flash and PDAF. Its selfie camera of 5 megapixel is also accompanied by soft light flash. For snapping enhanced selfie shots, it comes with Beautify 3.0. The handset receives power from 3300 mAh battery that delivers an impressive standby time of 17 hours. As for the price, the 16GB storage plus 2GB RAM, 32GB storage plus 3GB RAM, and 64GB plus 4GB RAM variants of the Xiaomi Redmi 5 respectively cost 7,999 rupees, 8,999 rupees, and 10,999 rupees. The handset will be exclusively available for buying through Amazon India from March 20th. It will be also available through Mi.com, Mi Store App, Mi Home Stores, and all the other partnered offline stores. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.